Good morning, ma'am. Any good editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu's opinion section today, so come, let's have a look. The editorial is active educational loan accounts in Tamil Nadu declined drastically. The number reduced from over 9 lakh in financial year 16 to about 3 lakhs in financial year 25. Now, although students from Tamil Nadu remain the leading recipients of educational loans across India, there has been a significant decline in the number of active loans they hold. Given that this student group has been most active borrower in the country in the last decade, this sharp downward trend warrants a closer analysis. Now, imagine earlier in Tamil Nadu, 10 students were taking education loan to go to college. Now, only about 3 students are taking that loan. Okay, now that's what has happened. In 2016, Tamil Nadu has over 9 lakh active education loans. By 2025, it has fallen to 3 lakh. So, many fewer students are taking loans. But here's the twist, the total money given as the education loan has not decreased. In fact, it has increased a lot. Earlier, many students took small loans. Now, fewer students are taking loans, but those who do take loans are very big loans. Now, so less students, more money per student. This means rich or well-off students are still getting loans. Poor and middle-class students are being pushed out. Tamil Nadu used to give 30 to 35% of all educational loans in India. Now, the share has fallen to only about 15%. And that's exactly a huge fall, as you can see. Now, why is this happening? See, banks are now afraid of loans defaults, giving loans only to students from rich families or top colleges, and third, rejecting poor students. So, education loans are no longer reaching those who actually need them the most. Now, let us look at some facts. In chart number 1A shows the number of active education loans accounts in lakhs across India between financial year 16 to financial year 25. Let's look at this. 27.4 to 20.1. This is in India, okay? And the number decreased from 27.4 lakh accounts to about 20.1 lakh in that period. The fall can be mostly attributed to the fall in the Tamil Nadu's numbers, okay? Now, active educational loans accounts across India, excluding Tamil Nadu. Now, this is excluding Tamil Nadu. It is 18.6 to 17 only. So, you can see the major downfall has happened in Tamil Nadu. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this whole topic. Why is it important for civil service examination? It is highly important for GS paper 1, which is Indian society and social justice. Then for GS paper 2 also, which is governance and welfare schemes. And for mains and prelims also, this article becomes very important. If you want a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go watch our DNM video, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching.